It's been designed to touch the earth lightly. The idea was to create something that had minimal impact on the landscape. House 28 is made from 3 shipping containers, which is about 44 square metres. The large volume is 2 of those joined together, which is the living and kitchen, and the smaller one has 2 bedrooms with a little bathroom. The house is shaped like a boomerang so that it hugs itself, and the deck forms the sort of space between. The structure of the house is a series of concrete piers, and then above that there's a lightweight steel structure which then provides a platform for this house. When you do actually go inside the house, it feels immediately as though you're up amongst the trees. As you walk along the house, it goes right out over the hill, and the boomerang shape faces the ocean. House 28 is wrapped in a skin of galvanised metal sheet. It's a sort of a robust material. It also takes on a really nice quality over time as it becomes part of the environment and landscape around, reflecting some of the colours. And then on top of that there's a green roof, so that allows water to then be harvested from the rain, and it provides thermal mass for the house. The interiors, it's about a sort of a really intimate, warm, tactile experience. Using a marine designer ply was pretty much key to the entire sort of scheme. It just creates that seamless feeling of space. The internal linings provide another layer of insulation. You can sort of come in here, take your shoes off and feel timber underfoot, which is really cosy. In the location, which is next to the ocean, it needs to be durable. You know, it can be maintained over time. I mean, the wonderful thing about timber is you can sand it down and recoat it. With the project, it's also, it's trying to be honest about what it's made from. So the containers aren't really concealed, and it's quite fun, I think, to, reuse the way that the doors work. It's literally a box we're in, but I think it's fun to try and break out of that. Try and add some dynamic to the interior space, to add excitement, to make things connected. The living and the bedroom actually connect through the container doors, which can be opened at the ends. Break that up a bit and to have these different configurations. It's about connecting everything, so using the island bench as part kitchen, part workspace, part dining space, and the geometry breaking away from this sort of rigid box. The lighting and the quality of it, it's a sort of a whiter light, sort of pick up the ambience of the plywood. That sort of creates that warmth and that glow at night. So I suppose it's a sort of a minimalist type design, and it's all about sort of framing those views from the interior out, because it's about being part of this landscape and connecting to that